In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable age restrictions for 21 and over on Facebook using your PC. This is part of Facebook's latest update, and it's a useful setting if you want to control who can see your content based on age. Let's go step by step so you can set it up quickly and correctly. First, open Facebook on your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand more options. Now, click on Settings to open your account settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of different settings categories. Scroll through until you find Followers and Public Content, then click on it. This section controls who can follow you and how your public posts are managed. Now, look for the option labeled Age Restrictions. Once you find it, click on it to open the available choices. You'll see different age options you can apply to your content. Select people 21 and over. This ensures that only users who meet this age requirement can view your public posts and content. After selecting the option, don't forget the final step. Click on Save to apply your changes. If you skip this, your settings won't be updated. And that's it. You've successfully set your Facebook account to restrict content to users aged 21 and above.